Okay. Is that okay? We are now recording, is that?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Can see the screen now?
Yes.
Can okay.
Yes, sure.
So so this is how we do it lah. Okay. Then the next step is what?
Next step is to do a complete equation on the left hand side.
So you call this expansion. You expand this first.
Yes,
Okay.
expand.
You expand, you get what?
So mean x square.
X squared.
Wait, I do x square. Wait, I do in my paper.
You go ahead.
Teacher, is it x square minus 2x and minus 3?
Minus 2x minus 3. Okay, correct. Equals to 6. Then the 6 you bring
Yes.
over here. Okay.
Okay, that means that is already positive 3, right?
Okay, so that means x squared minus 2x, then
Plus 3.
6. 6 here you bring over, it becomes minus 6. So it's
Oh, no, minus, this is minus 9.
minus
Sorry.
9, equals to 0. All right, so
Yes.
after you got this, what do you do next?
Factorize it.
Factorize. Can you factorize or not?
Yes.
You try
Yes,
factorizing.
I try it.
Uh,
Teacher, do you know calculator will get a equation with quickly how you know how to do
Calculator. I
ah
don't calculator one, I don't use calculator.
okay.
Uh,
This is maybe is x.
this equation cannot be factorized. I mean, you cannot do this
I
factorization, right? So if you cannot do
yes I
factorization, what the formula?
I don't know because now I do in my paper I can't even factorize it.
You can't factorize. You can't factorize. So you have to use the formula. X
Ah,
equals to minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac
for AC.
2a.
Um,
Right? You have to use this formula. You know how to use this formula or not?
Not really.
So anything beside the x squared is a. Anything beside
Teacher,
huh?
this formula is used it when the equation can't factorize,
You
is
cannot
it?
factorize. Then you use the formula.
Um, if the equation can factorize means that I
Factorize,
can
you
use
use
the previous
use factorization. No, if you
oh,
can factorize, if you cannot factorize, then you use the equation.
factor. If I can factorize, I just factorize it and use the previous equation, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Cannot factorize, isn't it?
Yes.
So you have to use this formula.
Okay. Then I try to do.
You try and see.
So I get multiples the 小数 in
Okay.
the end of the answer.
We go through how to go about doing it. Okay. So you want to insert b first, all right? So it's minus
Yeah,
minus 2, isn't it?
2. Yes.
Okay. Plus
Yes.
minus minus 2
Plus.
squared minus
Right.
4k
Yes.
1 is minus 9. Okay.
Okay.
Over
Yeah.
2 times 1. Right?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is 2 plus minus root minus 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1
Or minus
times 9 plus 36. Correct or not?
plus the,
Plus lah.
yes.
Minus
Then it
plus it.
minus yes, plus
Okay. So over
okay.
2. Correct?
2. Mm.
Hmm. So equals to 2 minus root 40 over 2.
Yes.
Okay. So equals to 2
Mm.
minus 2 root 10 over 2.
Why must put 2 root 10 teacher?
40 is 2 root 10 lah. Alright, 40 is what? 2 times 2
40.
times 10 is 40, isn't it?
Yes.
So 2 you can take out, this 2, root 10.
Um.
Yeah,
Uh, still don't really understand. Oh, means that it 2 times 10 is 40 and the 2 can be taken out.
if there is the same, if there are two numbers which are the same, then you can take it out. Right?
Okay.
10 there are no 2, isn't it?
Okay.
Depends, then
Yes.
you have to retain your 10 here.
Means that the same how to say same number can be taken out.
Same number, two same numbers, you can take it out.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now it becomes 1 plus minus root 10.
1 plus. Huh? Why
Huh?
is 2 plus minus 2 become 1 plus minus
Okay, you don't understand that. So you'll do it further steps, all right? You take 2 out, so you got 1 plus minus root 10 over 2, correct or not?
Mm.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
you cancel the 2 away, you get 1
Okay.
plus minus root 10.
Oh, okay. Then I understand that.
Okay, so in your exam, you can either give your answer like this, or you can convert this root 10 into non-root lah. Right? So you use your calculator. 1 plus minus root 10 is how much?
1 plus minus root 10.
Root 10, you press your
3
calculator.
point
Uh,
3.162.
162. So your answer is
No, no. Ah, wait.
correct.
I I I yes, yes, correct, correct.
So your answer is, the first set of answer is 1 minus 3.162. That means it's minus
Oh, okay.
2.162. The next answer is 4.162. So you've got two answers. Right? You can either give your answer in this format or this format.
Oh, then the negative answer is been rejected, right?
No, it's not rejected. Why do you say rejected? Like I told you just now. All right? Your
Oh,
This is cut at minus 2.162. This is cut at 4.162.
okay.
But I think you get
Right.
you got the wrong impression from your teacher already. Not necessary.
Um.
Not necessary. Minus is rejected. Okay, it's not
Okay.
always the case unless your question state that uh, x is more
It.
than. If it's not,
Oh.
then you reject this. Yeah. If your
Oh. Okay. Okay.
question did not give you this condition, then you have to accept this answer as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand that.
Uh, Actually, you got a lot of areas that you are still weak at, uh,
Uh,
like
yeah.
handling roots. You don't know how to handle roots. Okay. Then
Mm.
this type also you don't know yet. Okay. Never mind.
Okay.
I'll see how I can help you in this areas. Okay. So this is example number 3.
Okay. Yeah.
You see, you are weak in maths is because your foundation partner is
Uh-huh.
strong,
How
Your,
to say?
your foundation partner, that means while you were in standard 6, form 1, form 2, form 3, that
Uh-huh.
you have not really done well.
Yeah.
Like this one, like this one, form 1, form 2, you should learn all this already. You know.
Okay.
Okay, so we go to next example. Example 4. So you are given alpha and beta are roots of
Uh,
equation. All right. So
yes.
alpha, alpha, and
And data.
okay of
Mm.
that means this is 3x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. This equation have alpha and beta as your roots.
I don't. Okay.
Okay, that means your x has got this value.
Um. So the x value is in alpha and beta.
Alpha and beta for this equation. For this equation. All right.
Okay.
The question wants you to find another equation where your roots is 1 over 2 alpha and 1 over 2 beta. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
They tell you that this equation has got these roots. They want you to find another equation with these roots.
Um.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in the first,
Okay.
you have to find how much is
I don't
alpha,
know.
how much is beta first from this equation.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what you need to do is you have to make x squared is 1, right? So you divide everything by 3. So you get x
Um.
squared plus
Then how about 7?
7 over 3x
Um.
plus
Plus 1.
equals to 0. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So if you go back to the what do you say, the notes just now,
Uh,
okay, you see, a and b are roots of this equation, then you have this or this. Can I?
mm-hmm.
Okay. I think I write this off first. So beside the x is a plus b, correct?
Mm.
So that means alpha plus beta equals to 7 over 3.
Okay.
Understand? That?
Okay.
Then the other one, alpha times beta equals to 1.
One.
Right?
Mm.
1. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you have this alpha plus beta equals to 703, alpha beta equals to 1.
Mm-hmm.
So you go back to the equation again. Just now was example 3, example 4. Okay, example 4. All right, so now they want you to find an equation with 1 over alpha, 1 over 2 alpha, and 1 over 2 beta.
Mm.
Okay, so you want
Okay.
the equation of the addition of equation is like this, right? So that means 1 over 2 alpha plus 1 over 2 beta, right? To get the new equation, right? Oh, yeah. Wait, you have to actually divide this equation by A, right? This plus B
Mm.
A x plus C over A. Okay,
Okay.
from here to here, okay,
Okay. Can.
yeah. So now you want to find this equation with this root 1 over 2 alpha plus 1 over 2 beta.
Do better. Mm.
Okay. So in order to do this, what you need to do is the denominator becomes what? 4 alpha beta on top 2 beta
One.
plus 2 alpha.
Two.
Okay, nak? Here to here.
Yes. Can.
Can, sure.
Mm.
Okay,
Sure. 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 Okay.
you factorize 2 out, you get alpha plus beta
Better.
over 4 alpha beta.
Okay.
Okay, you know that alpha plus beta is 7 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so with 2 times 7 over 3 over 4 alpha beta is 1. So 4 times 1.
One.
Okay, so this
Mm.
becomes what? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So 2 times 7, 14 over 3 divided by 4. Okay, nak?
Okay.
So
Then the answer is the answer is in 小数 ah.
for this one, the answer is what you were saying.
It's in 小数 ah.
Never mind, you just do it first. All right. So this is 14 over 3 times 1 over 4. Correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cancel 7, 2. So becomes 7 over 6.
Six.
Okay.
Then it must change to 1 and 1/6 or just leave it
Uh,
7/6.
this is 7 over 6 first.
Okay.
Okay. Then the n1, right, is what? So
Hmm?
this is for the middle one. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Addition of
Yes.
roots here. Multiplication of roots is 1 over
7 is
alpha times 1 over 2 beta.
beta.
Uh,
Hmm.
So 1 over 4 alpha beta.
Beta.
So alpha beta is how much is now?
Alpha beta is 7/6, is it?
Alpha beta is
Oh, alpha beta is in 1.
1, right? So alpha beta is 1, so equals to 1 over 4. Okay. So
Okay.
your equation with this as the root, all right? The new equation with 1 over 2 alpha and 1 over 2 beta is x squared, right?
Plus 7/6.
So plus 7 over 6 x plus 1 over 4
1/4.
equals to 0.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, understand.
Then you have to multiply everything by what? You want to remove the denominator.
Or by divide into 2.
Times by 12 lah, to remove this. So you got
Huh?
x squared plus by
7
14
over
plus.
eh? Um,
Correct?
um, yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
48. Eh? This is times
You
everything in
everything by
with
12. Times everything by 12 times by 12. 12 times
okay.
you got 12x squared, right? 12
Uh,
times 7 over 6 you get 14, 14x,
mm-hmm.
right? 12 times 1
Mm,
over 4 you get 3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, can.
Okay. So this is how you get, right? So that means
Then the zero no. Oh, okay, okay. I,
the new equation with 1 over 2 alpha and 1 over 2 beta is 12x squared plus by 14x plus 3 equals to 0.
0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the actual questions, right? Before we go to some other examples.
Okay.
Okay, question 1. Identify which of the following are quadratic equation. Which one is quadratic equation?
A.
Yeah. A only.
Uh, A. A only. Yeah. Is A
Quadratic
only.
equation, the condition for quadratic equation, there must be an x squared, right?
No, no, no. Not x plus A x plus.
Yeah. Ax squared plus
Oh,
bx plus c equals to 0. A must not be equals to 0. Others can be 0.
okay.
Okay, lah.
Okay,
So
okay. Yeah, understand.
this is a quadratic equation.
ABC is quadratic equation except for D.
This is also a quadratic equation. This is also a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic
Uh,
equation. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Go to question number 2. Right? Determine whether the values of x are the roots of a given quadratic equation.
Okay.
Right? Determine whether this equation x equals
Uh-huh.
to the root of this or not.
Okay.
Understand the question?
Uh, not so understand.
Okay. You want to find out whether x equals to 2 is the root or not.
Okay.
This equation, right?
Hmm.
So number 2a, what do? You have x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0, isn't it?
Hmm.
This one can factorize or not?
This
Yeah?
cannot
Can factorize or not?
cannot be factorized.
Cannot be factorized. So cannot factorize, what do?
The square root. The
Use formula, right? X
uh,
minus plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay,
Mm.
4 plus minus 16 minus 4 times 1 times 1 minus 4
Uh,
over 2 equals to 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 is
12.
12 over 2.
Mm. Yes.
So this is 4 plus minus 2 root 3 over 2
Okay.
equals to 2 plus minus root 3.
Okay.
So that means your value of x is equals to 2, uh, 2 minus root 3 or 2 plus root 3. So x minus 2, x equals to 2, is that a root or not?
X equals to
X equals to 2 here.
2.
Is this the root of this equation? You found
No.
the root is like this.
Yeah.
Yes, man. X is
No,
not.
no.
It
It's,
cannot
it's,
be 2
it's
because
not a root for
it's
this.
not a root. So the first one is no. Right? Then you find the second one. Second one you find and see. You know how to find, huh?
Either.
You try and see.
My answer is x minus 1. No. Sorry. I'm on the way.
X minus 1. Then,
No. X minus 1 and x plus 6.
okay. So your answer would be x equals to minus 6 and 1, isn't it? So that means x
Yes.
equals to 1 is one of the roots.
Right.
Yeah.
Uh,
Number
so
2 is
it's yes. Yes.
yes.
Yes.
Number 3,
Yeah.
2c.
Try. My answer here is 2x plus 1 and x plus 1
2x
plus 1 and x plus
1,
1.
x plus 1 equals to 0.
Yes.
Check and see.
Yes.
2 times x, 2
2
squared,
2x plus square.
and 1, 3. 1 times 1, 1. Okay, this is correct. So what
Uh,
is the value of x? X equals to
1 over 2.
minus,
Negative 1 over 2
minus 1 over 2.
minus 1 over 2 and minus 1. So
Minus,
it isn't an answer.
so this one is no. Yeah.
Yes. No. It's a no.
Number D, 2D.
Number D. Teacher, this how to do?
This one you multiply the equation, the whole equation by 4 by
Oh,
4.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
I
you
try
get
to do.
4x squared take x plus 3 equals 0. Right?
Okay. Okay.
This
Then
equation
try to factorize it this.
factorize. See whether you can factorize. Cannot factorize, you have to use formula.
Okay, wait. Try. You know, it can't be factorized.
Can't be factorized, right? Can factorize.
Wait. Yeah. Okay, teacher.
What's
My
the
answer is 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 3.
okay? So x value is
X value is positive 1 over 2 and positive 3 over 2.
3 over 2. So part D, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. Right. Okay. We go to next question. Question number 3. Okay. Express the quadratic equation below in the general form. General form, that means what?
General form means that
Plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general format.
uh,
Yeah.
just try to move it to the left hand side.
Fit so that you can get you get this format up.
Yes.
Yeah.
So move everything to the left hand side.
Either left or right, it doesn't matter. You see, ax squared plus bx plus c is also the same as 0 equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Right?
Yes, this I
This
know. Yes.
again, so you can either move
Okay.
right or move to the left, doesn't matter.
Okay. The first answer is 3x squared minus 4x plus 2.
Then
Then is the final answer or not? This
you must put equal to 0 lah.
yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, you must put equal to 0 because the format is like this.
Okay.
So if you give only like this, then you don't have the full the correct answer. You don't give the correct answer. Okay.
Okay. B is wait lah. Teacher, my answer B for B is
Uh,
x squared minus 2x minus 13
Sorry,
and equal 0.
equal to 0. I just check and see. X
Okay.
minus minus 8 equals to 5. Okay. Yeah. Right. So C.
Okay. Wait lah. Teacher, my third answer is x squared minus x plus 3.
X squared minus
X plus 3
plus 3.
equal 0.
Okay. I just check and see. 5
Okay.
squared minus x equals to 4x squared minus 3. And this is x squared minus x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Right. D.
Okay. is teacher, my answer from number 4 is 2x squared plus 4 over 5x minus 1
Huh? Okay, 2x squared plus
plus 4 over 5
4 over 5
5x minus 1 equal to 0.
equal to 0.
Ah,
Uh, wrong already. Yeah, wrong already. You know why it's wrong?
don't know.
You got 3, you got 5 here. I suggest that you multiply everything by 15.
Oh,
Okay?
this time 2, 2. Oh, okay, okay. I understand that.
Here, cancel here, you get
Oh,
5. 5
okay.
times 2 is 10x squared. All right. Then
Hmm,
5, you cancel this 5, you get 3. 3 times 4 is plus 12x equals to 15. So your answer is 10x squared plus 12x minus 15 equals to 0.
okay.
Yeah.
Can
Mm,
understand.
yeah. Okay. Right. That question number 4. Yeah, read the question, see whether you understand or not.
Okay. Given that x try to find out that whether the value is 3 or not. Is it?
No, they want you to find the value of p. Value of
Mm. Oh, okay.
uh,
I'll try. The, the answer for P is 8, is it? P is 8.
how do you do that?
I just times the x, times the 3 into the x.
Equals
Like
to
2.
division and you find p lah. That's all lah. Right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can correct? Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Then go to question number question 5. Okay. So number 5. Read the question whether you understand.
Yes, I understand. I try to do it. So my answer is negative 13 over 4.
Negative 13 over 4.
Yes, for A.
You recheck and see.
Okay.
No negative. 13 over 4.
Yes, 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 I forget to turn it into positive after.
Okay. Okay. I
Okay,
Then we go to question number 5. Question number 6.
okay. Quadratic equation. This is with alpha and beta, right?
Uh, yeah, okay. Correct. Alpha and beta.
Teacher, I
Ah,
forget how to do it. Can you show me again
okay.
about the equation?
So you have got roots of 3 and 2. That means your root is x is equals to 3 and minus 2.
Uh, yes.
So if you, let's say this is to minus 2, isn't it? Right.
Mm-hmm.
Becomes
Yes.
x minus 3 equals to 0, x plus
Yeah.
2 equals to 0.
Equals to 0. Yeah.
So x minus 3 times x plus 2
X mi-
equals to 0.
into equation.
So you expand, you get what? Expand
Wait, I do it. My answer is x squared minus x minus 6.
minus x
Is
minus 6
Yes, 6 equals to
what's the
0.
a equals to
A equals to minus 1
minus 1, then b equals to
minus 6. Plus 6.
uh,
No, no, minus 6. Minus 6, minus 6.
minus 6, right? So this is the
Yes, yes.
a and b. Uh, okay,
Okay,
can
can.
question 6, then question 7. Okay, question 7.
Okay.
So again, you've got the roots of x equals to minus 2 and root of x equals to half.
This I try to do.
You try to do and see.
Teacher, my answer for alpha is 5 over 2 and for beta is -1.
Uh, not correct now. Okay, from here, all right, so it is x plus 2 equals to 0, isn't it? Yeah,
Yes.
here
Yes.
you times both sides by 2, you get 2x equals to 1.
Um,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Then 2x minus 1 equals to 0.
So if I met fraction, then I must
Ah,
times it up.
ah,
Okay. Okay.
then count again. What's the value of a, b, a and b?
Okay. My answer for beta is 3x and for beta is -2.
Uh,
Is it?
no, wrong already. Okay, let's do this again. All right, this is 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 equals to 0. Correct? Nak?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Nak?
Hmm.
So if you expand, you get 2x squared minus x plus 4x. So plus how many x?
No one.
Huh?
Minus x plus is 3x
3x. All right, then
and -2. Is it?
equals to 0. So how much is your a? How much is your b?
A is 3, right? No. Sorry. I wrong. A is 2 and B is B is 3.
B is 3. Right? Okay.
I get the correct answer, but I think A is B, B is C.
Oh,
Right.
you must be you must be what do you say? Very careful of that, lah. Huh? Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And well, we go to question number 8. So same type of question, same type of question. Given two roots, right? Find the value of a. You try yourself.
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay.
Alpha is 1 and beta is 0. Is it?
Alpha is 1, beta is 0. No,
Uh,
no. No need to use alpha, beta. This is actually your alpha, beta already. Right? So you want to find A and B. You want to find this A and this B. Right? This is alpha, this is beta already.
so it's a bonus mark or what?
Yeah? Bonus.
So the alpha is 3 and beta is -3. Ah?
Ah. So, but you are not finding alpha and beta. You want to find A and B, right? Which is here A and this B.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then how to find it like this?
How to find? Okay. So if you have roots of 3 and -3, right? That means
Uh-huh.
x equals to 3 and x equals to -3.
Minus 3.
Huh?
Yes.
So
Hmm.
here is x minus 2 equals to 0, x plus 3 equals to 0. correct?
Mm. Yes.
So x minus 3, x plus 3 equals to 0.
Yes.
Right? So you get x squared uh, minus
X square.
equals, that's all, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then you look at this equation. This is ax squared plus a
Ax.
plus
Oh,
2x.
this whole things is equal to x square minus 9, is it?
Yes, yes. All right. Then you have minus b plus 4 equals to 0. Right?
Um,
That means this is your uh,
so means that
correct. So this is how much?
alpha is 1. So
You
means
don't
that
say alpha. It's not alpha. Alpha is here. Alpha is here. Beta is here. So you are
um
talking about A and B now. You want to find A and B, not alpha, beta.
okay.
A
A is A is 1,
is 1, then
B is 0
B is 0. Why B is 0?
because there is nothing with bx on the middle of them.
B plus 4 equals to 9, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, lah.
Then means that is 5, right?
B plus 4 equals to 9. So B equals
Ah,
5.
yes.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Then,
Ah, yes. It's okay.
then we go to question number 9. So you got roots of minus 3 and half. That means one is alpha, one is beta. But you don't care about alpha, beta. What you want to do is find A and B.
A and B.
Uh,
Okay, it's the same type of question, right?
same type of question, same method of doing.
Okay, then I try to do. So my answer for A is 5 and B is 0.
5 and 0. You
Yeah.
recheck again.
Okay. No, A is 6 and yes, B is 0.
Okay, okay, can. Correct. A is 6, B is 0. Huh?
Okay.
Number, number 10. So ask you to solve.
Um, Solve the equation.
Solve that means ask you to find x.
Find x, is it?
Ah.
Okay, try to do it. Is it x equals to 2?
X equals to what?
2.
2.
Yeah.
No, you try and see again.
Okay. Teacher, how you do it? X is equal to 0 or 4.
Hmm. Right, so you have factorization here. Here is one part, here is one part. First part,
Oh,
x equals to 0. Right, second part, x minus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to 4.
okay. Yes, I understand that.
Okay, okay. So 10. Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay, we go to question 11. Okay, from this
Okay, I'll try to do that. Teacher, what is the other formula that can't factorize after?
the factorization and the formula. You want to know the formula, is it?
Yes.
Right. Formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac 2a. You must
Yes.
remember this formula, Huh?
Okay.
Then they don't give you this formula. You have to remember.
Okay.
Cannot factorize, I think can factorize lah.
Uh, I, I can't do here.
Can I can factorize lah. So
Factorize.
x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0, isn't it? So
Yes.
1 times 4. So this is plus, this is minus, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Okay. So my answer here is x equals to -4 and x equals to 1.
Okay.
-4 and
Uh, okay.
okay.
Question 12. Right. Solve this equation.
Okay. Okay. Sure, my answer is 4 and 6, right?
4 and 6. Ah.
Uh,
Oh, not 4 and 6. 8 is 4 times 2. 3 is
uh, uh,
1 times 3.
uh-huh.
Right? So you want a negative 3 here. Right? So one of these has to be a negative. But you want a plus 10 here. So this should be plus. This should be minus.
No, I used the other formula, so I get the wrong answer.
Also the same answer. And you have put in the wrong figure.
Oh,
Right? So
okay.
if you use formula, x equals to
Uh-huh.
b is minus 10 plus minus root of minus 4a is 8, c is minus 3, all right, over
Mm,
2 times 8 is 16. So it's minus 10 plus minus root of
96.
minus 4 times
This
12 times
96,
96 over 16 minus
16.
10 plus minus root of 4 over 16. All right, equals to minus
Yes.
10 plus minus 2 over 16. All right, so
Mm.
10 minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12,
Okay.
16,
I, I I I do the wrong one.
minus 8 over 16. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, teacher, I copy.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right. But I don't think the answer is right. Let's check and see again. Minus 10, 100, 4 is 4 times 3 is 12, 12, 8, 8 times 2 is 96. Oh, this is plus 96, not minus 96.
Hmm?
Plus 96. Plus 96.
Oh, yes, yes.
196.
Yes, yes.
196 is how much?
196 is
13. No, no, not 13.
is 14.
14. So minus
Ah, yeah.
plus minus 14 over 16. Eh?
Yes.
It,
Yes.
so it becomes minus 4 over 16.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 4 over 16. All right. This
Mm.
is minus 3 over 2, 1 over 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. So if you use uh, formula and factorization, you get the same answer. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Factorization is 4x minus 1, uh, 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So your x is equals to 1 over 4n minus 3 over 2. Same. Yeah.
Hmm.
Ah,
Okay.
okay. Number 12. Go to number 13. Okay, understand here?
Ah, yes.
Yeah. Go to question
Hmm.
13.
I will find the value of x.
Ken, what to do on this question?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay.
Teacher, my answer here is negative 3 over 2 and positive 2.
Like this.
Mm.
Mhm. If one apple is 2x minus 1, x apple is how much?
Huh?
Total is how much? Total is x times 2x minus
Ah,
1.
I do it like this.
Huh? Correct or
Ah,
not?
yes,
Equal to
equals to 6.
6. Right?
Ah, ah.
So you expect 2x
2x squared
minus
minus x minus 6.
equals to 0. Okay?
Yes. Mm.
Then can factorize or not? 2,
Yes.
1, 3 times 2, 4. This is minus, right?
Plus. Ah,
So
yes. Yes.
x plus 3,
3,
x minus 2 equals to
2.
0, right?
Yes.
Equals to
Mm.
minus 3 over 2 and
2 and 2.
so can x
Ah,
be minus 3 over 2 or not?
cannot. So it must be rejected.
Can he buy minus 3 or not? Apples cannot buy minus 3 apples, isn't it?
Ah,
So
so it's
2.
rejected. Ah,
Uh,
yes, it's 2. Answer is 2.
okay. Right. 13, right? 14. We do the last one.
Oh, okay, okay. And that y. and x. Oh, okay, I try to do it.
Uh,
Teacher, my answer is 4.
4.
X is equals to 4.
Okay. Okay. Correct. So,
Okay.
okay. We stop here.
Okay.
So, we meet again.
So, huh?
We meet again when?
Huh? I don't understand your words.
No, we do the Zoom again when? Next week.
Yes, next week.
Same time, same day.
Can.
Right. Okay.
Okay, and teacher, can you send the recording to my WhatsApp?
Can.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.